Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send USDC from your Phantom wallet to your KuCoin account using the mobile app. Let's get started. First, make sure that the USDC token is enabled in your Phantom wallet. If it's not, tap Manage Token List at the bottom of your screen, then enable USDC from the list. Once enabled, tap on USDC and select Send. Important, you will need some SOL in your wallet to cover the network fees. So before sending, make sure you have enough SOL available. Tap on USDC again, then tap Send. Now, minimize Phantom and open the KuCoin app. Make sure you are logged into a verified account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up using the link in the description. Once inside the app, go to the Assets tab at the bottom, then tap Deposit. Search for USDC and select it. You will now see several network options. Be sure to select Solana, SOL. Carefully review the minimum deposit amount and network requirement. Copy the Solana deposit address provided. Now, go back to Phantom, paste the address in the recipient field, and tap Next. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send. In this example, we are sending the full available balance. Tap Next again, then confirm the transaction. Approve the gas fee using your SOL balance and tap Send. Your USDC is now being transferred through the Solana network to your KuCoin account. To confirm the deposit, return to the KuCoin app. Go to Assets and check either the main or trading wallet, depending on where your deposit is set to arrive. After a few confirmations, your USDC should be visible in your balance. And that's it. Now you know how to send USDC from Phantom to KuCoin using the mobile app.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.